Alrighty folks, today we got a 2016 model Kenworth T880. Really sharp truck. Really sharp truck. Got a lot of nice polished aluminum. Really cool looking silver. Looks even better in person. Charcoal bed. Got a PACCAR MX-13, 455 horse. Eaton Fuller 10-speed automatic transmission. 410 gears, 20,000 pound front, 46K rears, 13K drop. The ox body's bed's a 16-foot bed, 68 sides. Does have an air gate as well as a high lift gate. Really sharp truck. Walking beam suspension in the rear. Does have a electric tarp on it as well. You can come check this truck out here at Southern Equipment Sales in Finger, Tennessee. You can also check it out on our website, southern equipment llc.com. We sure appreciate you watching our video.